Do they know you, Ann?
No.
Gosh, I'm not the only stranger.
Oh, hey.
I go straight in for the hugs.
Did you drive down here? Yeah.
We're here!
I don't understand what's going on.
I'm so confused.
Any words for the camera?
That's why I only have a one-way ticket. Yeah. Surprise!
We're staying here for good.
That's why we're hanging out here. I kept thinking this is so weird. I kept,
Well, where would you go?
well, I thought we'd be at her house.
Her house. This is her house.
I know, but I met with John.
I just rolled the cameras for so long.
It's
fine.
Well, scary. We don't come here just to hang out.
I bet. I want to dye mine actually. Yeah, like brown.
I'm thinking something like
How are you? Good.
Fun.
I don't get this.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
It's gonna be all you.
There.
How about Pat Meeks cat?
Oh, that was taken care of a long time ago. We were never taking care of her cat. Jessica just went out and drove around the block.
Snails.
You've been never taking care of Pat Meeks cat?
Jessica.
Oh, they are?
Oh,
No.
Oh, what's the
I just
matter?
drove her out.
Well, who's taking care of Pat Meeks cat then?
Her brother. Her brother.
So you've never had to do the cat?
No, but you agreed to it, so we had
Who
to
had
figure
Pat's
out
meets
that.
cats?
You go, we'll take care of your cats. And I
We're
go,
like, we're not
we need to
gonna
call
be-
Pat and tell her get somebody
So
else.
you know how every
Sit down,
time I'd
Matt.
like pretend I was just gonna hang out for
I break it straight in half.
I drove around and then sat by on the other side of our fence right there. I just sat there and waited.
She's angry.
You still look so surprised.
I am.
Are you
I'm
guys?
glad. That's good.
It was a
lot
real
of work.
surprise. You had no idea.
And so, where's our list?
Getting every second of it.
I shipped it in.
Good.
It's in the guest room. You're staying here.
Are you kidding me?
We shipped our luggage ahead of time.
So you don't suspect.
And you guys,
We were in
you already knew about it.
We knew the whole time.
So
That's
did
why-
Derek and them know too?
yeah, that's
Yeah.
why since I went up to last
Everybody in Green River
Heritage
knows.
Holiday.
Everybody
mayor
at
knows.
church knows too.
Every church.
The church knows? How do they know?
Because we
Who had Pat's
You know,
meets
during
cat?
their birthday,
Yeah.
that group of people that I was sitting with, I had a ton on that.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, it was gonna suck.